In case if your iPhone continuously searches for the signal even with the SIM card or without the SIM card, then it may be because of the date and time error. So in that case, you can manually set the date and time for your iPhone. Go to settings, go to general, date and time, and then instead of automatically, you need to switch off the automatically option, and then from here you will change the date and time. For example, tap on this date and select the date, and you also can change the time from here. So once you set the date and time manually, check if the Wi-Fi stopped searching for this signal. The other thing what you can do is we can go to the settings, general, go to reset, and then select reset network settings. This will reset all the settings for your data, and then once it is done, check if the iPhone stops searching for the signal. If this doesn't work, then try the SIM card in another iPhone or another device to check if the SIM card is working properly or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.